Today I'm doing the Red Tornado. Red Tornado started out as the Tornado Tyrant, first appearing in Mystery in Space number 61. Uh, in it, he was like a force of nature, just a giant tornado. But later on, an enemy of the Justice League, Tio Morrow, put his essence into an android body in order for him to destroy the Justice League. Well, very much like the Vision from Marvel, uh, he turned on Tio Morrow and helped out the Justice League, eventually becoming a member himself. Now, this is his classic uh, 60s, 70s look. There is another version that models itself after the updated appearance in Justice League by Brad Meltzer. So as you can see, it's a pretty plain mold. Not much going on. You see, there's nothing real that shouts out about it. He's there. One of the things I noticed is that the paint underneath the yellow is kind of shows through. I don't know if the camera is picking that up or not, but that is one of my problems with the figure. And some of the striping here doesn't match up well when you pose him, but those are small things. I mean, it's an okay figure. It's not one of my favorite ones, not one of the things that I'm eager to have, but it's nice. So that's Red Tornado.